Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at thisisjoyhustle.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to get AdSense approved on your blog very fast. If you're an intending blogger and you have been applying for AdSense for a quite period of time now and they have been rejecting you, today I'll be showing you the easiest and fastest way to get your blog approved on AdSense. As we all know, AdSense is the largest network company for bloggers and for advertisers. So if you're a blogger for beginner, your aim is to get your blog approved on AdSense so that you start making money through AdSense. So if you're a first timer on this channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I post an awesome video like this. So this channel, Busy Joe also, we produce content on how to make money online, on blogging and other things, even affiliate marketing, ebook and all that. So do well to subscribe to our channel so that anytime that I produce an awesome video like this, you'll be notified by YouTube to watch those videos. So let me go over to my screen and show you how you can get your blog or website approved on AdSense very fast. Okay, welcome back. So if you intend getting your blog approved on AdSense, so these are what you need. These are some things I list out that you need to perform on your blog. So we go over it one after the other. So the first one is to design your blog. You need to design your blog in a way that it fits AdSense requirements. So if you're on Blogger, I've already made a detailed video on how to design a blogger website with theme, custom theme. So just go to YouTube, search for Busy Joe Hustle. Just search for Busy Joe Hustle. So once it's open, see it. This is my channel. So I have a whole lot of videos on blogging. I have many videos on blogging. So you can come to playlist or any you can go to playlist and search for uh, it's coming up. Network is too bad. Uh, so you go to blogging. When you go to blogging, I already have 19 videos on blogging. So there's a video on how to create a blogger website. There is a video on how to create a blogger website. You can see it over there. Then you can watch that video. Then if you're on AdSense, if you're on WordPress, there is a theme that you need. You need a GeneratePress team. It's a premium team. So, but I'll be giving that team for free. Just let me know in the comment section. Just comment I need the team. Then I will send the team to you. Just let me know in the comment section. So it's a premium team. You can go and search on Team Forest. So that's a very it's one of the lightest team on WordPress. So it's very light. It makes your website load fast and a whole lot of that. So the website designing website is very important. Your website must be well designed. So but if you don't know how to get your website design, I can help you and fix that. Just let me know in the comment section below that you need help on getting your website design. So I can help you get your website design, make it ready for AdSense approval. So the second one is important pages. So if you are designing a website, there are pages that you need on your website. So one of the page is what about us page. About us page, this entry, don't just name it about us page. You can name it why your domain name or your business blog name, why our blog name. Then another page is contact us page. Then contact us page is you can still name it how to reach us. Then the third page is the privacy policy page. So these three pages are very important. So let me show you how to create for about us page is very simple. You just write about your blog. You just write about your blog. Then how to contact us? I normally use Google Form. You can use Google Form to create how to contact us. Just use the code. You can, after using Google Form to create a form, then you use the HTML code, integrate it on your Blogger or your WordPress website. Then if or you can just put your email, phone number and name on your contact us page. Just contact us page, put your email, your phone number and your name. That one is okay. Then for your privacy policy page, you can go online and search privacy policy page generator. Privacy policy page. Privacy policy page generator. There are so many websites that offer you the tool to generate privacy policy page. So you can see this, although I've not used this. So you can, even this one, you can use it to generate privacy policy page. You can use this. The one I use is not even here. So, but you can just do a search and find. But the problem with this page is that most of them are copyright claim. So what I normally do is either I go to Qboot. I can use this to maybe after generating those privacy policy page, I use this to write the privacy policy page, or I can go to Fiverr. I can go to Fiverr and contact somebody to write a detailed privacy policy page for me just for $5. So that's the way you generate your privacy policy page. Then after that, Fiverr is still loading. My network is too bad. So Fiverr is still loading. So after getting your designing your website, having all those pages on your website, the next and the most important thing is your original content. You generate original content. Original content is the key. If you don't have original content, Google will not approve you. And the number of content depends, it varies. I have a friend that have like 200 words and 20, less than 20, about 15 posts on his blog, and he gets monetized. Then I even have somebody that have more than 40 posts, more than and 500 plus words on the site, and he got rejected. So it varies and it depends. So but what I advise is that your content, make sure it's 500 plus, then more than 40 content, that the original. Once you have that, you must surely be approved. So how do we get this content? Because that's the problem. What I normally do, I will be dropping of Fiverr on the description box below. So what I normally do is that I go to Fiverr, I contact people that write original content. This is still loading. This AdSense approval. So you see Google AdSense approval. So I'll just search for Google AdSense approval. So as the site is still loading, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I post an awesome video like this. So as you can see, there are a whole lot of people offering this gig, and you can even, these are $5. You can even change, because you can see there are some people that have $10, some people even 15, and a whole lot of that. This one is $75. So you can even limit this to only people. You can change the budget. Maybe you have only $5 for those articles. You can decrease your budget to just $5. You can put maximum of what, $5, and see people that are offering this gig. Sorry, $5. Once you put $5, then it will show you results of people that are offering gig for. So what you need to do is just to go through all these people, and in your choice of selecting any person, make sure you check the rating, how many works the person have done, and the review of people have given to that person. So, and you check, once you check, then you can contact any person on this website to write a posts or articles for you. You can even get somebody that can even monetize your blog for you from here, but it will be high. We are trying to save costs. So you can get somebody that can give you, I will write 25 unique SEO friendly articles for you. So you can contact this person and pay this person $5. This person have 5.0 review and he has done 6 works. So this is a very good one. So you can actually contact this guy. We write a very good article for you, then after writing that, you come to your blog and publish that article on your blog. Then you apply. Then let's check other stuff on our list, other things that you need. After getting your original content, if you're on WordPress, there are some plugins that you need. And one of them, there are so many of them, but I don't like jam packing too many plugins on my blog because it slows the blog down. So one of them is auto the publishing post. So what this plugin actually does is it repurposes your content. Maybe you have 25, maybe you have 20 content on your blog. Then it will keep on posting that content. Maybe after a day or 2 days, the way you set it, it will post that, make your old post looks fresh. So those of old posts, it will now repurpose that old post. It will now appear at the top of your blog. So it keeps your blog updated. That's what it does. So another one is view counter. With view counter, you can increase the number of views. It's a fake view counter. You can increase the number of views, maybe because you don't have where to share your content or all that. So with view counter, you can increase the number of views so that during a Google AdSense inspection, they will see that maybe this your post is getting much views. Maybe, but when you are setting your view, set it between 1,000 to 2,000. Let it not be more than 2,000. Do you get? So this is what you do. After doing that, then you apply for AdSense. Then once you apply for AdSense, then you wait. Sometimes it takes 3 days, some 2 weeks, but it's not more than 2 weeks. They will get back to you to know whether your application is approved or rejected. So if approved, then congratulations, you have joined the game. Then if rejected, then you know what they said. Maybe they say that you're rejected. Maybe it may be because of your content or you are violating any of their policy. They will indicate that on your Google AdSense. So you go and check your privacy policy page and know the what you got wrong. Then you fix that on your blog. So this is how you can get your blog monetized on Google AdSense. So thanks for watching this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I upload an awesome video like this.